But in the broader markets, GM Breweries should be a stock which should come up on your radar. Triple-digit gains in 2015. It started off the year on a very positive footing as well. In fact, scaled past 900 rupees and is up around 15% in today's trading session. So watch out for GM Breweries. But nonetheless, let's get in some commodity strategies now. We have Naveen Mathur joining in for that. Naveen, first wanted your strategy on crude prices.
Good morning, Ekta. Wishing you and the entire CNBC team a very happy new year, and the same goes for the viewers of the CNBC TV 18. The crude strategy looks for the markets, although international markets are closed today, and we expect a very thin volume today, at least for next 1 or 2 days. So there's nothing much of the movement which we are expecting as of now, but technically we recommend the strategy to be on the sell side for the crude oil. The MCX crude oil contract on the Jan can be sold at around 2490 levels. Targets downside can be seen in a range of around 2430 levels, and recommended stop loss for this trade would be at around 2540. Ekta, as we all know, the markets are oversupplied, and I think the first 6 months of this year would be a little tough for the crude oil. They may hover in a range of around $35–40, but the next half year can be a little bright once the lagging effect of the rigs production and all the cuts which we have seen over a period of time would happen.
Okay, Naveen, hi, morning. What about copper?
Anuj, morning. Copper also is on the sell side. LME is closed today. Don't expect too much of the volumes happening around, but technically looks like to be that the copper should be on the sell side for the February MCX contract. We can sell this contract at around 318 to 319 levels. Stop loss recommended would be at around 323, and targets on the downside can be seen in a range of around 311 to 310 levels.
Gold and silver?
Sell again, Ekta. Sell it at around 25,000 levels for the gold for the February contract. Stop loss at around 25,180, and targets on the downside can be seen in a range of around 24,850 or so. MCX March contract on the silver also is on the sell side. Sell it at around 33,400 levels. Stop loss 33,700, and targets at around 32,900 to 33,000 levels.
Okay, what about currency? What's your strategy on rupee dollar?
Sell it, the USD INR contract on the NSE. It's around 6650 levels for the January contract. Stop loss at around 6670, and targets at around 6625, 6620. The rupee looks like to be a little appreciative mode, so 6625, 6630 levels can be seen by the end of the day, but very thin volumes, nothing much happening around. So I think the strategies may be little tight for the intraday session today, and also the evening session is not working in India for the commodities market. So I think we only have the time from 10 o'clock in the morning till 5 o'clock in the evening.
Yes, so I'm sure a lot of people have taken the Friday off and run away for the long weekend as well. But thanks, Naveen, for joining in, and wish you a happy new year as well, and the evening off from the commodities market. Remember that the global commodities market along with equities is closed for today. But time now for some fundamental stock ideas recommended by Mr. Tulsian, and we'll come back.